Good evening. We got something a little different today. Not a little different. I'm starting to produce some of the different various parts for the new printer. This is going to be the bezel for my display, which I have over here. A little box. I'm actually going to unwrap this real quick. So I haven't done a test fit on the model file that I downloaded. That is going to be snug. Wow, that's snug. But it fits. So that'll work out pretty good, I think. Yeah, that should be pretty good. I got the back printing right now, which also should be good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little shaving on the inside of this. It's just a little bit out of it. Should add like another 1% on the size. Yeah, we're starting to get some parts coming in for the big 3D printer project. And when I say big 3D printer project, I mean big 3D printer project. So this box here has the Z-axis guide rails. Get out of it. Yeah. Ah! Sorry, Jack. Okay, so there's the other box out of here. Ah, knocking shit over. Anyway, so yeah, these here guide rails are gonna sit in the printer, probably spread apart about like this. So a pretty good size footprint. I was also thinking about putting them in where they face each other, and then that way it'd suspend the load of the bed a little bit better. But I haven't decided yet. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But yeah, they're a regular like CNC style T-rail, hardened steel rail. Ball bearing sliders, but then it has like an aluminum backing plate on it, which I had concerns about the Z-axis going out of position using a similar style to these where it's just the bar. So these are much beefier, should work. Over in the box over here, I got one of the steppers, Lily Bay stepper. I got the stops. I also got the belt. And the belt came with all the pulleys and whatnot, so that should be good for doing the X and the Y. Yeah, again, we got the power supply boxes. We got some additional guides and whatnot. All the lead screws and the X and the Y are still up in the air. I'm just waiting for them to come in, but. That's pretty much it. Are you enjoying your carrots there, Mr. Jack? No? You sure? Alright, Mr. Jack. I guess Mr. Jack says it's time to go to bed. So, anyway, I just wanted to unbox that and share my excitement a little bit, because it's kind of nice this project's actually going to happen sometime soon. Nothing's quite like having a little army of baby Groots. Baby Groot! Not Baby Groot! And Hypnotoads. You know, because all hail the Hypnotoad. Anyway. Yep. So, everybody, have a good night.